Hey people, hi my Ty. Welcome back to the Vet Critters. And I'm gonna open the door and turn on the light. Okay. We're getting my shoes. And there's my rock. Also, I have some news. If you live in Ohio or Toronto, and you know where the Misty Marina thing is, this Saturday we're gonna be there. We're having a rock painting stand, so people can go there, paint rocks for free, and whatnot. Okay, so this person. Okay, let's go outside. Let's go in the yard, cause we're gonna go. Look, and there are so many rose petals on the ground. Not from him. Not from this rose bush. Not from that rose bush. Not from that rose bush. But this rose bush. It's so beautiful. Beautiful. Ow! Hurt. It hurts. Flowers. Listen to the beautiful noises out here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. There's a car coming. There's a bird in the distance. There's a bird in the distance. Here, cricket, so we're gonna go find it. Guys, he's in the tree. If I get too close, he'll. It's really hard to see. If you look close enough, you can see him. Baby. Jesus, tree, you look horrible. Ugh. How do you feel? I want to take a stick. Can I have a stick? No? Thank you. Got a stick. Well, I don't know what this video is about, but it's a video. Enjoy it. What is that? What is that? That's not a planer. Cricket. Okay guys, there's a cricket up in there. Why am I trying to find crickets outside? Okay, let's let him be. So he can make little babies and have baby crickets. Chew. They're everywhere. Booby. Bush. This bush is so pretty on the camera for some reason. I don't know why. There's a big boat coming. I need to find it. It's gonna come. I'm gonna wait forever. Not really. We're not waiting forever. There's a bird. Listen to the birds. Bush, I'm gonna eat you. So pretty. That's a cicada. That noise. That zzz. Terrible skidding. Yeah. I have terrible times imitating skidding. Sometimes I can do it perfectly, and then sometimes I just can't. Plus, I haven't had anything to drink like all day, so. I don't know. That sounds weird. It's coming from that tree. Hallelujah, that's a tall tree. Not as tall as that tree. That tree's tall. Waiting for the boat. Waiting for the boat. Dun, dun, shake, 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 shake. Stand all high and mighty over there, bird. What are you doing? What you doing? Can't fly, really. So I'm gonna go say hi to a birdie. Can I catch it? Can I catch him? Oh, he's right there. It's okay. He's my friend. I love you. Oh, flew away. And then we're just gonna go get that rod. That's the boat we're gonna see. Anyways, let's go get the bird. Hey, birdie. Oh, he got away. Okay. We're gonna cross the road. Whoa! So beautiful there. I want to swim. I don't know. That's a terrible idea. Catfish could probably eat me down there. Oh well. I want to be like Torch of the Jungle right now, but I'm not allowed. The runoff. I pretty much go down there all the time and play and all of that crap. And yes, there are snakes down there, but I don't care because it's the snake. But yeah, down there. Oh, that's nothing but we're gonna see. Look at that water line. It's like someone painted a white line of ice. Fade, white line, fade. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Bye, people.